We're here for a conversation with Albert Rooyakkers, founder and CEO of Bedrock Automation. Welcome.
Hi, Mark. Good to see you again.
Good to see you. So this is your, fourth year at the ARC?
That's right, yeah.
What do you have new for us?
Well, we have as usual, some really cool things to show. Today, this week, we're announcing a new product. It's called the OSA Proxy, and it's a security appliance that really addresses the needs of the installed base. So we're taking the advanced Bedrock security technology and deploying it in a very convenient, cost-effective device that allows users to take conventional networks in PLC and DCS and connect them into a secure environment for a public or private network. So it gives advanced security capabilities in a device that's designed around the industrial environment and is focused on ease of use and all of the advanced security features of Bedrock. So that's one. It's a completely new product for us. Of course, Cybershield 4.0 is our continuing firmware release that allows us to evolve our cyber for our installed base and for new customers. And then on a business side, we co-announced with the Wood Group. And so this is another demonstration of our expanding footprint. Wood Group being a multinational engineering company out of Houston, Texas. And we're working closely with them already on some very exciting projects. So this will allow us ever greater deployment, ever greater skill set, and it's allowing us also to expand our knowledge base, into the oil and gas sector in particular.
Okay, well, you're at Cybershield 4.0.
Yeah.
That means that's the fourth release. What's
Yeah.
new in it?
Yeah, so Cybershield 4.0, we've sort of timed it so that it ends up, releasing at ARC. So we're very proud, of this opportunity to once again use ARC as a platform to present it. So again, Cybershield overall is our method to allow firmware upgrades and dramatically change, our posture and change the security capabilities of a system. So in 4.0, there's two major pieces. One is support for MQTT Sparkplug-B, and so that's our deployment of it. Now it's built into the machine, and all of the security using public key infrastructure and PKI, that technologies that's now in the machines for user selectable with OPC UA. That's number one. And the other one is role-based access control. So RBAC is a very fundamental IT-centric tool set for security. So role-based access control will allow almost infinite granularity of a user to define roles and privileges for software, for applications, for actions in the engineering environment, the network, the SCADA environment. So, excuse me. So this is a really important tool set, and it will be, attached to COTS biometric technologies. So using multi-factor authentication for identity and identity verification. So this will work seamlessly with LDAP and enterprise systems for key management. That works in concert with our key management technologies that we've talked about in the past. So now this is really upping our game, and it allows users to have advanced OT tool sets at their disposal in the advanced IT tools in the OT environment. So those are the major technologies that are in 4.0. It'll be formally released to the user base later this year, in the middle of the year. And as always, it's a free upgrade. So all these tools and these capabilities are a no-cost addition.
Oh, cool. So
Yeah.
what have you got planned for 2019? What are we going to see?
Yeah, 2019. There'll be the usual technology improvements and things that will come out, but I think the more important focus for us is at this conference this year we had 3 customers presenting the features and the value that the Bedrock system brought to them. So thank you for that opportunity. So this year, we're really going to focus on larger scale deployment. You'll see a lot of commercial related issues. So we want to expand some very large projects that we expect through the rest of this year. And that will expand, vertically and horizontally our base in the industry, including some projects that are fairly large, complex systems like DCS functionality. So we talked about it last year. I was saying that that's where we think we'll go, and we've really done that, and we'll see these kinds of projects deployed. At the same time, Wood Group and other large, system integrators will now start to use the system and really show the life cycle cost advantages through the whole, engineering, construction, and deployment of technology. And what does open secure automation mean to the user? How do the open standards and how do the intrinsic security features really, provide the benefits to the user? So our hope is that at the end of this year and next year we'll have another 3 customers presenting stories of much larger and much more complex systems, successful deployments. That's going to be our key initiative.
Great. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. It's good to see you again.
Thanks. This has been a conversation with Albert Rooyakkers, CEO and founder of Bedrock Automation.